Hi guys, so this is your project for December 1st through the 4th, and it is a Christmas cookie project. So yesterday you did a little bit of reading about desserts, and I wanted to do a project in which we made desserts. And one of the easiest desserts and one of the most well-loved desserts of all time is of course the cookie. And of course it's December, so we have to do a Christmas cookie project. So you'll be making Christmas cookies. You can either make the cookies from scratch, which you know is going to require a recipe to follow. So if you do that, make sure you include the recipe in your finished product. Or you can buy the break-apart variety. Basically, this project is designed to give you baking experience and to get an idea of what it would be like to provide desserts for your guests when you have dinner parties in the future or birthday parties in the future. So what you're going to do is you're going to please document the process of making the cookies on a Google Slides presentation. So if you make it from scratch, show me some pictures of you mixing the ingredients together. If you've got the break apart kind, show me some pictures of, picking it out at Walmart and explaining why you picked the kind that you did. So please include a list of ingredients and the steps that you went through to create the finished product on your Google Slides presentation, which you're then going to share with me. You also want to include plenty of pictures, and if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I would appreciate it. Thank you.